K-Talk Lab, where K-pop meets learning. Let's look at why this line is so clever.
히트맨처럼 힙 만들고 싶어서 만릴로드.
First, let's look at the vocabulary. It starts with Hitman, likely a nod to Hitman Bang, the mastermind behind BTS. Then we have
처럼
meaning like,
만들다.
means to make, and
나
is a shortened form of
나는
meaning I. The ending. Reload means to charge up or start again. Now, let's talk grammar by attaching
처럼
to Hitman. We get like Hitman to express desire. The song uses the root
만들
with the suffix.
고 싶다.
This transforms to make into want to make. But the singer doesn't just say I want to. He uses the ending
아서
or.
어서
This adds the meaning of because or since. So,
싶어서
means because I want to. It links his ambition to his action. Reloading. Korean structure usually goes subject-object-verb, but in lyrics, it's often fluid here. The cause comes first. Because I want to make a hit like Hitman, followed by the final action, I reload. It's a metaphor for preparing his next big move in the music industry. That's it for this breakdown. Like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.